Here is how to delete responses in a Google form. So let's get started. First, come to your browser and then we'll open the Google form. So search for forms.google.com and then come to the form where you'd want to delete responses. Once you're here, come to the responses page. That's the second one. And now we have two options. We can either delete all responses that we've received, so all 4 will get deleted, or the second option is to individually delete responses. So first I'll show you how to individually delete them. To do this, click on individual, that's here, and here we can see all 4 responses that we received. After that, you can also filter based on who sent it. So I filled all with the same email ID, that's why it looks like this. But let's say I want to delete this one. I'll select it. This is the response. You can go through it. And then to delete it, click on delete, click on yes. And as you can see, the number of responses have become 3. So this is one method. And the second way is to delete all responses. To do this, click on the 3 dots which are here and click on delete all responses. If you're sure you want to do this, click on OK. And as you can see, the responses have become 0. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.